Jeffrey Hall here, Team Second Skin. Here to talk to you about their new product. This is the Overkill Pro with the adhesive backing. This is a great product. I'm super excited about it. We're going to be taking off the door panels here in my personal car. This is the Ref 6, as I like to call it, full JL team sponsored build along with Team Second Skin. So we're going to be taking off this door panel along with the other one. We're going to be going in and treating the entire back of the door panel with Overkill Pro. This is going to stop all of our squeaks and rattles, anything that's going to take away from the sound quality of this build. We've got a very large subwoofer section back here, so we want to make sure that no noises are coming from anywhere in the cabin except for what we hear from the subwoofer cone. So let me just get to it. I'm going to time lapse through taking off this door panel, and we'll meet you inside. Alright, so we're here inside. We've got both door panels. Previously had on some Overkill applied with spray glue, which is the old way of doing it. So both door panels are inside, ready to be treated, and we've got the new Overkill Pro with the self-adhesive backing ready to start the installation. Alright, so here we can see Sydney doing the installation of the Overkill Pro. This is a time lapse, but she's just carefully cutting around all areas. The goal is to get 100% coverage without any bulky areas to make the panel not fit perfectly. You do want to get around the speaker. It's very important. This door panel, the speaker isn't active, but we still want to get 100% coverage. So coming up towards the end of this, you'll see a pretty nice clean result with 100% coverage on all panels, and this door panel is ready for installation. I got these installed a little late last night. Didn't finish until about 9, so I couldn't get footage of it putting back the door panels, but they are installed. There's no gaps. Door panels and the foam fits on perfectly. And the doors sound a lot better even with just the factory speakers in them. I still have the factory speakers in the rear doors that I don't use at all. But this install's done. Second Skin for the win. American made sound deadening. Do it right the first time.